It is raining so heavy, guys. Can y'all see it? Wow, we're having like a little storm. And it feels so good, like the mist of the rain. It's raining in my house. Let me shut the door. Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. And if you are subscribed, what is going on, shorty? How you doing? All right, loves. Today is Wednesday and I am about to start homeschooling Ari for the next month. Okay, we're trying to get her ready for kindergarten, all that good stuff. So we're gonna do some flashcards right now, and then we're gonna read a book, and we're also gonna do some writing, okay, some math, all the good things. I feel like every day we'll do something different. Today we're gonna focus on flashcards. Like when she was younger, I used to homeschool her too. Before she started school, I was already on it, like doing all kind of homeschool stuff with her. And I went and brought some flashcards, and I used to just write words on them. Like I bought like, whoop. See, if it wasn't in my fashion, I drop everything, guys. I'm so clumsy. Like so clumsy. It wouldn't be me if I didn't drop something. So anyways, I just wrote a bunch of like different words and stuff like that on flashcards so she could just recognize things and know what they are. And it's just a whole bunch of stuff like around the house, like people, names, things like that, just so that she could be familiar with recognizing words and sentences and things like that, so we can put them together. Just very simple, but I stopped doing it, okay? I'm not even gonna lie, we stopped doing it. My parents' doorbell. Yes, I do monitor. Anyways, so I stopped doing it for a while, and now we're back on it because we're a month out. She has a month until she goes back to school, and we need to refresh her, okay? Because she's been out of school for already a whole month, right, babe? A month and some change, like a month and a week. She's been out of school, so we got to get her back rolling. We also have these ones that I purchased on Amazon. I'll link them below. And I also got so many workbooks and things like that to like teach her, and she's been doing those since she's been like 2. Okay, we've been doing these things for the longest time. So now we're just gonna refresh and get back into the swing of things. So that's gonna be my morning till 12 p.m. every day. So we're gonna start school at 8 o'clock. So from 8 to 12, that's our day, Monday through Friday. Every day. So let me start, and yeah, I'll pick y'all back up a little bit later. Oh, and we're gonna take this hair out today. We're gonna take this hair out today because I have a hair appointment on Friday. So we gotta take this mess out, wash it, and everything. I'm hanging on by threads, guys, and it's all flaky in the front. Oh, we are looking a mess. I know you guys are probably like, it still looks good, it still looks good. Y'all gotta understand that I have thick but thin, fine hair, okay? I have a lot of hair, but it is like fine, so I'll be hanging on by threads, guys, like, and I don't want my hair to break off and cause more damage. So I can't be having these braids just hanging like that, because I'm gonna be bald head, okay? I'm gonna have patches. I'm gonna have patches if I don't refresh these braids. So we'll do that too. And plus I might need to refresh my nails too after the fact, because yeah, they might get caught up in the hair. Either way, okay, I've been talking long enough. Let's get to work. What does this say, baby?
My. 4.
Spell it.
4. F-O-R. 4.
There you go. Dancing and grooving, bopping and moving, his friends boogie and sing at the deep sea disco. Bop La. Ollie is the star musician in the Big Bubble Band. Watch him jiggle his legs and play the funky beat. Let him dance. Woohoo. So, Ari, what did you learn about Ollie?
Well, I learned that he loves music, loves jumping, taking baths, and especially tickling.
Yes, he did. He did. He loves to tickle.
Just like this. Tickle, 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 tickle.
Good job. Good job. All right, guys. If you're interested, grab the book. It's a beautiful, little, cute, pop of color type of book. I got this from the aquarium, but I'm sure that you could find this online somewhere, maybe on Amazon, Barnes and Nobles, wherever you get your books from. I'm sure that they might have this book. If anything, I'll try to link it below if I could find it on Amazon. I just wanted to hop on and show you guys that I finished taking out my braids finally. And this is the hair. Child, I'm shedding like a... What sheds? A dog? A cat? I'm shedding like a cat. But this is me. This is 2 years of hair growth. It should be more though. I have cut my hair again. Like, I cut the ends a little bit. Not recently, but before. I need a trim though. I need to have my sister come trim me up and make it beautiful, like shape it a little bit. So, but this is my hair. Don't look at my forehead. Y'all already know. Don't do it. Anyways, yes, so I'm done. I just wanted to hop on and show you that. Tomorrow I get my hair done. So I'll probably vlog tomorrow or on Saturday. Today's Thursday, if you didn't know. Today is Thursday, and yeah, I'm just gonna use today to edit. Look at that, guys. Look, I'm shedding. Oh, there we go. Just shedding all over the place like a cat. Anyways, I'll hop back on probably tomorrow to give you guys another update so y'all can see my hair. If I don't hop on tomorrow, I'll probably hop on Saturday. Anyways, let me go do something with this mess. I need to wash it and blow dry it. So I'm gonna wash it, oil it, blow dry it, get it ready for tomorrow, or I might wait till the morning to just wash it. Yeah, it feels so good to like just be light, like my head. Oh, I feel so free. But can you guys see that I said like I have a lot of hair? It's just thin. It's got thin follicles in, you know. I have an afro, but it's not an afro. Once I wet this crap, it curls up like a, I don't know. It's curly. My hair is really curly, but yeah, this is me in my natural state. I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, loves, I just finished washing my hair, kind of letting it air dry. I just wanted you guys to see how curly it is. I'm about to blow dry this mess. My husband thinks that I should wear my hair like this, guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Like a natural afro, but I don't have like a, I mean, I guess I do kind of, but I pulled some of my hair, like the curls out already because I was putting oil and stuff in it. But this is my natural hair texture and the length of it. Once it's stretched. But my hair used to be all the way to my butt, like the top of my butt, and I cut it and it's never been the same. But yeah, this is 2 years of hair growth. I cut my hair all off bald when I had my locks. I had locks and I cut everything off. But yeah, anyway, this is me. I'm about to blow dry it so I could get ready to head to the hair salon so I could get it braided. I will pick you guys back up later.
I be getting mixed signals while you scroll down. Don't stop, it's green light.
My hair looks crazy, guys. I can't wait to get it done.
Do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Sometimes you say you don't mean it, just want it when it's convenient. Am I crazy for waiting on my side? Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm on to the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and
But
closer.
this is heaven. I'm late today. It's 10:24 and I'm just now having my coffee. But I wanted to show you guys my new mugs inspired by, I mean, I have the short ones, but this one was inspired by Princess. Hey girl, I'm gonna link you here. But yes, this was inspired by her, and she influenced me to get the bigger one. I got the smaller one, but I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm making breakfast. I'll hop back on and we're gonna make dinner together. Yeah, we're making porridge, so we'll do that together. I gotta go.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't gotta say shit. And I know you taste it a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, blood in my pen. Better yet, when your friends are them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty champagne. Cold nights, you cursed this game. You called up your friends and y'all curled in little bitty. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. That ain't good game, miss sorry. They say conversation, a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs. So I write it for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I just know, just wrong. Oh, what a justice. Put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I just know, just wrong. Oh, what a justice. Put it in the song, alright. really hope you played it. Cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in. It don't make sense, young East African girl. Too busy fucking with your man. I was trying to put you on game, but you wanna play you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day. When you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice. Poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex. Your natural head, your soft skin, and your big ass in that sundress. Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less, we would talk more. They say communication, save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real, P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I just know just what you want. Oh, where the justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I just know just what you want. Oh, where the justice, put it in the song, alright. Every time I write these words, they become taboo. Making sure my punctuation curve, everything is true. My life in the margins, and that metaphor was proof. I'm talking poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking in the mirror. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking for it, maybe. Call me crazy, we can both be insane. A feel of attraction is common, and what we have in common is pain. I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, and I can see power steering. Sex drive when you swerve, I want that interference. It's coherent, I can hear it. That's your heartbeat, it either caught me or it caught me.